Okay, first question. The covering of body surfaces and the lining of body cavities is composed of blank tissue. Okay, so let's stop for 5 seconds. Okay, let's go to the figure. We have in here epithelial tissue, right? It says simple squamous epithelium, right? That's epithelial tissue. And it says right here that, for example, we're going to use that for lining of blood vessels, surface membrane over organs. So we have lining, surface membrane of organs. If we go back to the question, that's what we have, right? Epithelial tissue, as you can see here, right? Body surfaces, lining of cavities. Okay, next question. The membrane that lines passageways that open to the exterior environment is called. Okay, let's stop the video for 5 seconds so you can think about your answer. So let's take a look at the figure. So we have right here membranes, and we have mucous membranes, mucosa, and right here it says lines, passageways that open to the outside, to the exterior. That's the same thing, right? So then it should be mucous membranes. So going back to the question, and that's what we have right here, mucous membrane. Which one of the following is not a feature that connective tissues have in common? Okay, let's stop for 5 seconds. So we have fibers, fibroblasts, presence of collagen. Collagen is a type of fiber. Presence of ground substance right here, calcified matrix. Okay, so let's take a look at the figure. And we have here components of connective tissue. We have fibroblasts, we have fibers, we have collagen, we have ground substance, but we don't have calcified matrix. So if we go back to the question, right, and then calcified matrix is not common to all the different types of connective tissue. Next question. The shape of a person's external ear is due to the presence of. Okay, so let's wait 5 seconds. Okay, we have dense, regular connective tissue, elastic cartilage, fibrocartilage. Let's take a look at the figure. And right here we have elastic cartilage. And you have the ears as an example. So we have elastic cartilage as the answer. Going back to the question, that's what we have right there. Next question. Glands that have branch ducts and secretory cells that form sacs at one end of the ducts are classified as blank glands. Okay, so let's stop for 5 seconds. So right here it says branch, so it has branches. So simple is just one. So if this one has branches, then it has to be compound, and also it forms sacs. So it's not like a tube. So let's take a look at the figure. And right here we have simple if it's just one, as you can see right here. Right? But since it forms branches, then it's going to be compound. Then you have a signer. That's when it looks like a balloon. Right? So it's not like a tube. Right? Because otherwise, if it's like a tube like this one, it will be tubular. So therefore, we have branches, compound, and it looks like a balloon, a signer. So going back to the question, the answer should be compound, a signer. Okay, next question. Most kidney tubules are made of blank epithelial tissue, which is specialized for absorption and secretion. Okay, let's stop the video for 5 seconds. Okay, and we have stratified columnar, simple columnar, pseudostratified. Let's take a look at the figure. And right here we have the kidneys as an example, and we have the tubules right here. Okay, and now we have simple cuboidal, and the example right here is the kidney. You can clearly see here the tubules, and the cells are going to be cuboidal. So the epithelium is going to be simple cuboidal. So going back to the question, the answer is simple cuboidal.